Everything depends on whether one's intent is good or evil. To reach enlightenment, we must pass through the paths and bhumis. Progress depends on pure attitude and good heart. Without pure attitude, all paths lead in a perverted direction. It is not enough to strive for the higher teachings and ignore the real substance of the Dharma, which is a change in attitude. Unless we can change our hearts at a deep and profound level, the samsaric traits of our personality will all remain, and we will still be seduced by appearances. As long as our mind is fickle, it is easy to become carried away in the chase for power and wealth, or the pursuit of beautiful objects, in concerns of business and politics, in intrigues and deceit. It is easy to become an insensitive practitioner who cannot be cured or changed by the Dharma.